Hey guys, Marcus here. I know that you're probably looking on how you can turn off the temporary hold on a Honeywell thermostat, and I was looking for the solution too. So this is something that I found in a manual, that when I was here on the Honeywell, whatever temperature you set will be maintained 24 hours a day until you manually change it or press run to cancel hold and resume the program schedule. So all you have to do is press and hold the run button. Try it once or hold it, and this is how you're gonna actually do it. So I hope it helped you. Also, when I looked here, some people wrote here is that what you can try to do is like reset it. So this is another thing, is that like try to just like reset it, or I just turn the system switch to off and then back to heat, hold is gone. Pull it off, take batteries out, maybe try resetting that way. So this is like, these are the things that you can try to do, but primarily this is something that I found on manual and I hope it's going to help you. So have a great day and goodbye.